We manufacture mobile robots and mobile manipulators, and then we develop applications in service robotics using this mobile robotics technology. Our products are sold principally to Europe and then to Asia, principally to China.
The AGVs project is a project that we developed for a hospital in Valencia, and we installed a fleet of 6 robots able to make the transport from the warehouse to all the plants of the hospital in an autonomous way.
We have a wide range of products. We have products for outdoor, and we have an important range of products for logistics.
We customize the mobile platforms for the customer. When we create a new robot, we need to change the design, modify the hardware, and in software terms, we also have to integrate all the components. We also have to solve the problem of the localization and navigation. One system never works in all the different environments.
When we started with mobile robotics, it was difficult to convince some customers that this technology was something feasible and you were not talking about science fiction. So it was difficult to get investors to start the company. Now everybody is able to see in the news that robots are a growing market. We really don't need investment for continuing growing. But we think not having the investment will be a cost of opportunity, because with these resources we could develop a business plan that would allow us to take a larger portion of this market.